Hello, everyone. Welcome to Brewing Knowledge Friday. We are so happy to be here. And I just was talking prior to formally starting this session with the team. We want to introduce to you Neelashi, whom we are hoping will fall in love with us and join us as we hope to marry her to the organization. That's an important part of our exercise to encourage young people to come and take over, and we have to now build a team because our operations have reached a mission critical stage. It's like you're doing a nuclear reaction. So we have now gone into the critical stage. So at this stage, it's essential that we find the right sparks who can ignite the fire within to learn, who can take ahead our large macro objective of building a large learning community. So far, we always called ourselves a learning langar, where we just met to help each other, and that's how learning communities are made. But I think now the learning community needs a catalyst. On that note, I want to thank Manisha for always being there. She's our formal Zoom handle. I call her Zoom handle. Kunal is always there, and in Kunal, I see one person who can just get anyone to work. Thank you, Kunal, for being the catalyst for just about anything and everything we do.